My saw came with a riving knife bracket that enables the riving knife to raise and lower with the arbor, but it didn't come with what I needed to attach the riving knife to the bracket with though, unfortunately. So I hacked this together. The riving knife that came with this saw, it's a whopper, it's a beast, gigantic. It's enough to make a horse cry. I don't need a riving knife that is higher than the top of the curve of that blade. I'm not sure what this means. Maybe it's Klingon for 6/7/3 or some other fraction. Anyway, I need to use this plate because that little bit of thickness just puts that riving knife in the perfect position in the middle of the curve of my blade. Come on guys, I'm puckered up and ready to go. I can't wait for your comments on this. Yes, I know that's the original riving knife. Man, this was damn so easier than any other solution I had in mind. Sorry, but there you go.
But before we use any power tools, let's talk about shop safety.
I can check square.